Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's having a great day. I know I'm gonna be going something really cool where it's been always wanting to go, like since I saw it. Going to a place called Komodo Island. So it's basically an island where a bunch of Komodo dragons live on. Super excited for it. Like it's so, I'm so tired. But plan is we have to go to Demparsu. We take like a propeller plane down to the island, and then a sailboat comes picks us up, and we get there. And what's cool is we're living on that sailboat for that weekend. So we're gonna be sleeping and eating on that boat, and just chilling. We'll be doing a lot of snorkeling. So I can't wait.
I hold on to this storm cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder. It's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go.
Just got the boarding pass, one of the easiest boarding pass process ever. From the whole check-in security, it took literally like 5 minutes. It's beautiful. Domestic travels. Oh, this is like a little trolley I'm on. I'm like on a dolly here. Perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. Made it to Komodo. This weekend is just basically beer, junk food, and what they're serving on the boat. Oh boy, it's gonna be good. We're all done the shopping. Now we're going to the boat where we're sleeping on for the weekend. So we're staying on there, visiting Komodo Island, staying on the boat, eating, snorkeling to the boat. It's gonna be super exciting. Like this is the boat. Like let's just jump onto the boat. And we're on the boat. So just made it to the boat now. Let me just go to the front. This looks really sick, and we're on here for the weekend. I can already see. Oh, you can jump off the front here. Oh boy, this is gonna be super exciting. Let's just nice. Okay, so we're almost to Komodo Island. Super excited. This guy's sleeping in the back here. But yeah, we're gonna do Komodo Island, look at some dragons, play with them. Hopefully none of us gets eaten or scratched. And then we're gonna go snorkeling. So let's just look at this dragon.
Yeah, he looks like a real ranger.
Well, we're really like athletic.
Just borrow the
Child chair.
Yeah.
It's their own, and now you're
Like Mowgli.
They come here only for eat the babies.
What?
Yum.
Yeah. So the baby hatchling, so they have natural instinct for protect themselves. Run away from the parent, I mean from the mom.
That was amazing. All done. It was perfect drone shots going on the water. It was great. Now we're gonna find somewhere. We're just gonna dock the boat, and it's bedtime basically. Not bedtime, but we're just gonna stay up, party, drink, do whatever, and then bedtime. And then tomorrow another day of snorkeling and exploring. So super excited! Yeah. So this is basically life right here. Just on the boat, on the front, just hanging, relaxing, listening to some good music, and just like seeing everything. I saw a sea turtle in the afternoon while I was chilling here, and it was like the best thing ever. Good morning, everybody. Next morning, that night was rocky. Like there was a storm coming, the boat was rocking. I just basically couldn't sleep. But we made it to the next island, Paradise Island or something like that, where people, it means like where people stop. It's a really cool island. We're gonna do a 1-hour hike up this, and then it's gonna be a good view. But it's like raining, but at the same time, like the clouds are passing by really fast. So hopefully by then, it would stop raining. I was supposed to do a time lapse on my tripod, so damn me.
I think I told you not to trust her. She's all about that game. Don't go and fall in love with that girl. She will only cause you pain. Don't think she loves you, she don't mean it. Just look the other way. She's coming at you, you better run before she leaves your heart in vain. She is cold as ice, deep blue sea, you can't swim in. Better think twice before you dive into that water. What you gonna do when the game is over? When you realize she is not the one, you better put on your socks, your game face on. And I don't give a damn if you're ready or not. Oh, we will start on something new, cause the game is over. Nothing left to do when all is said and done. I said put on your socks, your game face on. And I don't give a damn if you're ready or not. I think I told you not to trust her. She's all about that game. Don't go and fall.
Almost to the top now, but oh my gosh, it's a hike. But I just gotta stop like every time to take a photo, just to admire this view. Like, just look at this. That is freaking amazing. Like, so happy I did this hike so early, and I was like, I don't know if I should do it. I was like, screw it, I'll do it. I did. Very happy about that. Like, still people coming up, but it's great. Yeah, made it to the top. Awesome view. Took a while, but great view. Great day, swimming, jumping from boats, got some drone montage. I couldn't get my phone on the water because it was charging for the drone. So okay, I prioritized drone over underwater shots, but here are a few from last day, and that's about it. I have these guys looking at me here. Let's see. There's Saad, there's Matt, there's that guy. And that's about it. We're heading to the airport now, so let's just appear at the airport. Okay. And we made it back to the airport. Now we're gonna just go through the whole check-in process. Yes, let's just jump through this. Jump cuts.